think the most important change certainly is the trend towards semi and fully automated processes. Everybody's aware that we are losing more and more skilled welders. So the major trend towards gaining efficiencies, gaining productivities by applying automated processes is certainly the most prominent development that we see. We have widened our product portfolio. We have strengthened our metallurgical and application expertise, and we have now embarked on a journey to deliver the Perfect Weld Seam for our customer. That is what ultimately matters, that he gets the perfect result, taking into consideration possibly less experienced welders on his side. Well, voestalpine and voestalpine Böhler Welding has for many decades, in fact, been working on reducing unnecessary emissions, and I'm quite happy to see that it's not only us but also internationally the industry is now following a trend to reduce emissions. So we will continue our journey, whether it is for products or whether it is for energy reduction in our production processes. And as I'm saying, it's good to see that we are no longer the only ones, but to the benefit of our planet, the industry is now following what we have been doing for a long time. I think the fact that we create new products, that we create something is where that passion found. You can be proud, you see the product, you see a result, and that is certainly one major driver to create this, and of course working with molten steel, working with a weld seam, with a weld bead is something very special, and that reinforces that passion that comes into the industry. Well, after a long time as we are together here at the industry, it's been very, very positive. We have a lot of quality interactions, a lot of interested customers, existing and new, that we see here on our booth. It's the second day today. So until now it's a very, very big success, I can say. The presence all around automated, semi or fully automated solutions is strong. That's what we're expecting. But in total it's a very good show so far. The good experience is I'm insanely proud of our voestalpine Böhler Welding team, the team, who everybody is here. It's really remarkable, and I'm really proud of the great service that we can provide to our customers, the engagement that goes in, again the passion that our own team members bring along here to the show to create customer value. That's my biggest impression that I have so far. It makes me really proud that this is what I can witness.
voestalpine, one step ahead.